While shopping for health insurance, you'll encounter a few types of plans that differ in cost and which healthcare providers you can see. Let's explore the difference between two kinds of plans: HMO, or Health Maintenance Organization plans, and POS, or Point of Service plans. Preventive care benefits are usually covered under HMO and POS plans. But before you see an out-of-network specialist, you typically must get a referral from your PCP. With a POS plan, you can see providers who are out-of-network, but at a higher out-of-pocket cost to you. Under an HMO plan, however, if you see a provider who is out-of-network, unless it's a medical emergency, there will be no coverage and you'll pay all of the costs. Usually, you'll find POS plans have slightly higher premiums and deductibles compared with HMO plans in exchange for more flexibility in which healthcare providers you can see. WPS is here to help. Visit WPShealth.com/explains to learn more about the ins and outs of health insurance.